that nettle leaf. So nettle leaf and nettle root have different actions. So you're definitely wanting to get a detoxifying effect and reducing irritation and inflammation within the urinary tract.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I am naturopath Fiona Chin, co-founder of Kidney Coach and co-author of the Kidney Disease Solution, and I'm joined by my amazing co-team member, Emily Cahill. We digress. So, nettle. Take it away, Emily. Let's talk all things nettle.
So nettle is a herb, or stinging nettle is a herb. Now, I guess the first thing to say is that if you're looking at buying nettle, you'll generally find it as nettle leaf or nettle root. We're talking about nettle leaf. So nettle leaf and nettle root have different actions. So you're definitely wanting to get the leaf part of the herb. So everything that we're going to be talking about for kidney disease. So traditionally it was used as a blood purifier to stop bleeding. It was used for things like diarrhea and arthritis, skin conditions, and things like bladder irritation and urinary tract irritation as well. So some of the actions of nettle are that it's a diuretic. So it can increase urine production and urine flow in the body. It helps to stop bleeding. It's anti-allergic as well and anti-inflammatory. And it's also quite a strong antioxidant too. Nettles also can help to lower blood sugar, and it's anti-anemic, so it can help with improving red blood cell levels. And it's called, in herbal medicine, it's called an alterative. And that sort of basically means that it helps with detoxification and clearing waste from the body as well, which makes sense of why it would be beneficial, or one of the reasons why it would be beneficial in kidney disease too.
So, being that, and you mentioned it's nettle leaf that we want, what's the best way to take nettle? Because people are thinking tablets, capsules, but we obviously think a very different way of taking it.
Yeah, so we like people to use nettle as a tea. So you can find nettle in tablets and in liquids as well, but using it as a tea has sort of the added benefits, I guess, of having more of a localized action within the urinary tract and the kidneys. And yeah, so some of that sort of detoxifying effect and reducing irritation and inflammation within the urinary tract. So, as a tea, it sort of improves some of those actions.
Now, we probably need to talk about the difference between, and I know you mentioned we use the leaf. Why don't we use the root? What's the difference between the leaf and the root?
So they've got different actions. So nettle root is frequently used and typically used for prostate problems. And it's really well researched in that area. But yeah, it doesn't have the same actions on things like blood pressure and diuresis and kidney stones and those sorts of things as the leaf does.
If you want to stay up to date with our Kidney Coach YouTube channel, hit subscribe. That way you'll get notified anytime we put up new content. And then make sure you hit like. That helps our videos to appear to more people. If there's any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below and I will have a look at them. Or if there's any videos that you want us to make on certain topics, also leave that below. You can come across and join our Facebook community at www.facebook.com/kidney coach. And if you want to know more about the Kidney Disease Solution and about who we are, head to www.kidneycoach.com. You can also hit us up on email at support@kidneycoach.com. I think I've got everywhere that you can get us. Everyone watching, thank you for being part of our community. You are hugely valuable, and thank you for watching. And until next time, we'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.